realize that you really do need to change your life, because the way things going, I don't think it's gonna be good for you, man. For real. Turn your life over before it's too late. I tell him every day, Jesus is coming, and I'm gonna tell you. Life is but a dream. Yellow fella, you know, WTFENT, I'm familiar, I got you, still, but I'ma spit something down. Every day I pray to the Lord, pray to the Lord like I really wanna get it, like it's a game and I score. Like who can get my level and who can reach what I'm on? That's why I am at the level I'm at, on top of my dome, on top of my game. It's insane, I don't need no plans. You do your plans, but I do mine with no hands. I pray for Jesus every night and I put them together, and then I just pray. I feel like as a feather floating up in the sky, but it's deep down in my dream. When I wake up, I feel like I'm in a better dream. Better days I'm gon' see. Some may be horrible, but I'ma have joy, so I'ma smile. It's the oracle, return that back rhetorical questions I do not answer. I could just stop. You a girl, or I am handsome. Mine is what say handsome. Watch me on Sunday or either Saturday in church. Walk the runway. I call it runway, cause it's like a long out. But I don't do it, but I feel like a lonely child. Feel like a lonely child, but the only child of Jesus I know, he got a lot more. But see, way by me, hey, it's time to do the thing to do, and it's time to sit down and read the Bible like you do. I do Bible study every night with no problem. I don't even solve about it, cause I know it's not a problem. Hey, why you don't wanna learn about it? Do you wanna go to hell and end up getting shot or in jail for the rest of your life and not on the mic? And you tryna be a gangster, but that stuff ain't no right. Now look at me, just take one look, and what do you see? Don't judge me by the way that I look, cause if I talk with my mind, you'll believe I hit the books. Every time I speak real deep, and that's for a sake, and that's what heaven say. They say stuff to me, and I project it out. I can talk to you through anything, even child, 5-year-olds, grown-ups. I'm telling you, you ain't even trying to hit, you ain't even selling food. You just written down on the list for death. You wonder why? Cause you sinning. That ain't good for your health. Calm it down, don't pick it up. Leave everything alone. Set your friends aside and hit that only lonely road. I call that success, because you have no friends. So make it to the top. Now make a new beginning, and this is where it ends. That's your old life. Grow up, get married, have your own wife. Don't play around. You know how you gon' do it. Live your life. Turn your life to Jesus, and he'll do it for you. Tell you, that's just how I feel. I'm speaking from the heart. You know what I'm saying? I can do better, but hey, I did.